Hi guys, I'm Daiwik. Today is Diwali. Happy Diwali for everyone. I got the lights here. And today we're observing what dissolves in water. For this, we need salt, sugar, and pepper, flour, coffee, and oil. I labeled the materials on every glass. And we need a measure cup and a normal spoon for spinning. Now, I'm going to make a project report for the experiment because I'll take the materials that will dissolve or that will not dissolve. Now, we need to get the salt. We need to pour the salt 3 times to the salt glass. One more time. And the last time. Okay. Let's see the salt will dissolve. Oh wait, you need to spin it. I forgot. You did that? I hope so. It's done. See? You don't see any salt now. Look. That was magic. It was not magic for real. Melt it. Yeah. Now, yes. Pour 3 spoons of sugar in the sugar glass, just like the salt one. Okay, now spin it. Is it done? Ta-da! I don't see any. Just like the salt one. See? Now, let's note the salt. Let's note it. Sugar. Sugar. Done. I dissolved in water. Oh, my brother joined. Whoa. Okay. Now it's pepper. Let's see. Oh no! Da-da-da. No! Oh! Pepper do not support? Whoa! semi-dissolved. Sorry. Whoa. Now, let's go to. What's that? Oh yeah. Let's go to floor. Okay. We need to pour 3 spoons to the floor glass. Now, let's spin it. It dissolves. Whoa, data. Let's kick floor dissolves. Pepper is semi-dissolved and floor is dissolved. Now, the next one is coffee. Now, please pour 3 spoons of coffee to the coffee glass. The coffee glass so far. Whoa. Yeah. So do the coffee box. This one. Now, let's spin it. I smell coffee. Oh, wow. It dissolves. Coffee dissolves. Like coffee. Okay. Now, the last one is oil. Be careful. Give me that oil. Yeah. Yeah, here. 2 spoons. Now, let's spin it. It's so bubbly. It do not dissolve. Oil do not dissolve. Oil floating in the water? Oh, I've never seen that. Then oil will not dissolve. Let's write that in our experiment report. Do not dissolve. dissolves in water. This is salt. Sugar, yeah, and sugar dissolves in water too. This is sugar. And pepper semi-dissolves in water. This is pepper. And flour dissolves in water. Then coffee also dissolves in water. Oil don't dissolve in water. I learned all about the materials I got that it dissolves, semi-dissolves, and not dissolves. Hope you liked my video. Please subscribe, ring the bell. See you next time. Bye!